Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a search app to Shopify. This is a great way to improve your store navigation and help customers quickly find the products they're looking for. Let's get started. On your Shopify home dashboard, to add the search app, all we have to do is click the apps option on the left side of the dashboard. This is where we can find all the apps. Once we're here, we just need to check the recommended apps. From there, we can go to the Shopify App Store, where we'll find all available Shopify applications. We can browse manually, or we can use the search bar to find what we need. In the search bar, we just need to type the name of the app we're looking for. Once we've searched, all we need to do is find the best search app for our store. We can choose from the options shown. There's also a Built for Shopify section, and many of these apps are free. Now, we will select a search app and click on it to get started. Once we click on it, all we have to do is click Install to add it to our Shopify store. We can see it loading now. Now click Install one more time to confirm. And there we go. We have successfully added a search app to Shopify. That's all it takes to add a search app to Shopify. With this simple setup, we can improve the shopping experience and make it easier for customers to find and buy products.